As I said before, I've got a face for radio, so here we go. This is the 4-channel unit. It's got about 6 feet of cord so that it can go around the engine bay. I don't use it that way. I just built an adapter from your cord into the wiring harness that I built, and that runs back to the back tank. I'll show that to you now. So it comes back here, and I have a boat level sending unit that gives resistance, and the 4-channel unit only uses 1 channel. I'm going to use more channels later on, but it reads and runs back up to the front, and then I'll show you the gauges. So here's the gauges, and it'll take it a second, but I've got my channel A mapped to fuel 2. I use it to monitor the external tank, and when I use this switch, I can kick on and off my transfer pump and wait till it fuels up and then kick it back off again, and I love it. You can go in and go to Banks Modules, 4-channel adapter, and as it says, my channel 1A is fuel. I can go into it, and let's see here, calibration tables where you set it, and I've got mine set to raw calibration volts. Let's see here, there we go, there it is. Thanks for watching.